Good evening, Ilocano learners! Isa na namang Ilocano Word of the Day. At dahil sinabi ko nung nakaraang video natin na ang susunod nating Word of the Day ay ang salitang mut, well, yan ang ating Ilocano Word of the Day sa video na to. Paano nga ba gamitin ang mut at ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin nito? Can you guys say it? Mut. Mut is used to contrast. One good example of this that you have probably heard or you have probably seen is when contrasting character traits of a person. Para sa mga nagsasalita ng Tagalog, for Tagalog speakers, may eksaktong katumbas ang mut sa Tagalog at yan ay ang naman. Examples: napintas nga rod. Tarabitab mut. Napintas nga rod. Tarabitab mut. Maganda nga. Madaldal naman. There's really no exact equivalent for the word in English, but if we're going to translate all of it, that would be, she is indeed beautiful, but she is talkative. Napintas nga rod. Tarabitab mut. Napintas, beautiful or maganda. And second one is tarabitab, talkative or madaldal. For our next example, we have nalaing, nalaing, which means brainy or magaling. And another one is salawasaw, salawasaw, which means liar. And for Tagalog speakers, sinungaling, sinungaling. Nalaing nga rod, salawasaw mut. Nalaing nga rod, salawasaw mut. Magaling nga or matalino nga, sinungaling naman. She is or he is indeed brainy, but he or she is a liar. Malamang narinig nyo na rin yung mga salitang may mut. Most likely, you also have heard words with mut, like gaya ng kakaasimut, kakaasimut, porting, kawawa naman, awan mut, nasaya at mut, naimas mut. Now, for both Tagalog and Ilocano learners, I can't think of a better way to explain it, those, but these are used if what you discovered or what you found out is different from what you were told or from what you expect. Example is, naimas mut, naimas mut, masarap naman. Naimas means or. So, for example, let's say that your mom cooked tinola and she said, well, it's salty. So your mom asked you to taste it. So you tasted the tinola and turned out it's not salty for you. For you, it's not salty. So you said, naimas mut or masarap naman, naimas mut. Next one, awan mut. Awan mut. Awan, for Tagalog speakers, katumbas niyan ay wala. Awan mut. So, let's say that you ask your sister if you can borrow her charger. And your sister told you to just go and get it in my room. So, you went in her room and the charger is not there. So, you said, awan mut. Wala naman. It's not there. Addamot. Adda means, for Tagalog speakers, meron, there is, or there are. You were told that there's no water. So, you went and checked if there's really no water. And guess what? There is water. Addamot. Meron naman. Meron naman. or meron naman pala. If you wanna say meron naman pala, at damot gayam. Kakaasimot. Kakaasimot. Kawawa naman. Kawawa naman. Poor thing. Ayun lang, wala na akong iba pang maisip na halimbawa ng mut. So, that's all guys. I can't think of any more examples using mut. At dyan na nagtatapos ang ating Ilocano Word of the Day. And that's where our Ilocano Word of the Day video ends. Until next time, babush!